Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Soma Mandal, an internist, women's health specialist, and the upcoming medical director of women's health at Hackensack Meridian Health. If you've ever left a doctor's visit feeling unheard, dismissed, or confused about your next step, you're not alone. So many women are navigating a healthcare system that wasn't designed with their voices at the center. That's why I'm thrilled to join Soma Docs this January for my talk, How Women Can Better Advocate for Their Health from Frustration to Empowerment. In this session, I'll share practical strategies to help you speak up with confidence, ask the right questions, and partner effectively with your care team. We'll talk about the silent biases that women face in medicine and how to change the conversation from what's wrong with me to here's what I want. Whether you're a patient, clinician, or health advocate, this is about reclaiming your voice and learning how to be heard in every exam room. Join me and Soma Docs for this empowering event. Let's rewrite the story of women's healthcare together.